Hi guys.
Oh. Okay, let's do it again.
On my cue. Hi guys.
Thanks for joining us for another video.
This video is going to be going over the instructional portion for the third video in our Dirty Dancing series. Let's get right into it. Alright, to get started, we're just going to demonstrate the section that we're going over in this video so you can see all the moves that are going to happen, and then we'll switch the orientation so you have a better view for learning. Alright, now let's go over the footwork starting with the leads. So, we go from this orientation, we're going to start off with our left foot going back. So back and together, forward on the right and together. We're going to go back on our left again and then face our follow. So back and face our follow. Next we're going to go tap out tap with our left. So tap out tap and back on the right, back and together, forward and together. Step with our right quickly to switch our weight. Now we're going to go forward and to the right on our left. Step and together. Step on the right and together.
Now let's go over the followers part for the steps. We're going to start by going back with our right foot. Go back, replace our weight to the left, together. Our foot forward, replace, together. Right foot back, and then when we replace our weight to the left, we're going to turn to our left and face our partner. From here, we're going to tap our right foot in, out, back in. And now we're going to step forward with the left foot, forward, replace, together, right foot back, replace, together. Now we're going to swivel with our left foot, forward and across, swivel with our right, swivel with our left, and come back together.
All right, now let's talk about the lead and follow and the connection for this section. So if we get ready to begin, we're just going to start with our side-to-side basics and forward. And as we go back, leads, we're going to be bringing her in to face us. We're going to be curling around her waist with some pressure here.
And ladies, the whole time we want to make sure we have a strong core, engaged core. And then also we have tension running through our whole arm here so that we can be brought back in to pivot towards him.
And then leads, as we're doing our tap, out, tap, we're going to be lowering her down for the body roll that comes out. So tap, out, tap, and we come up. And we're ready to go back into some basic. And then here, as we switch our foot to get ready to step forward on our left, we're going to be bringing her to the side of us. So rotating her a little bit and bringing her and providing tension for her to push off against as she does her swivels.
And we have tension also so that we can be swiveled this way.
So we swivel her and step, and then once again lead the body roll by just getting low, bending the knees, and then bringing her back up with you. All right, now let's talk about the connection and the styling for this section of the dance. So throughout this section, the actors maintain really strong eye contact and connection throughout, except when they're doing the side-by-side basic. When they're doing that, they're not looking at each other, they're looking out at the audience and throughout the space.
And ladies, when we face him, we're going to have eye contact and smiling.
So as we start off with the side-by-side basic, we're going to have our arms out for styling, and then throughout we're going to keep our knees bent and our feet nice and light to give it that kind of bouncy, energetic feeling. So just go throughout. Tap, 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 and then we do our body roll.
So for both people, we want to start in a low position, bent knees, and then from there, we're just going to imagine a big ball rolling up our back.
And then strong connection throughout the basic steps. And then we do our swivels. And then our body roll again.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this video.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more content by Green Bay Ballroom. If you didn't check out the musicality video for this section yet, feel free to give that a shot and see how all these moves line up with the timing and the music. And also check out all the earlier videos in the series if you haven't already to get all caught up. Hope to see you there.